Alright guys, welcome back to Quick Tech. Today I'm going to install a Gates PowerGrip heat shrink hose clamp on one of my air hoses. I've done a bunch of air drops throughout the shop, and I've lengthened and shortened hoses to different lengths for different needs. Like over by the vise, I have one that's a little shorter for the die grinders and things like that, or I have a dedicated hose to the sandblast cabinet. And they all end up getting these barbed fittings with hose clamps on them, constantly coming loose and leaking air or getting caught on stuff. So we're going to give this a try and see how this works. Super simple to install, and they seem to have a heck of a lot of clamping force. So all we're going to do is undo this hose clamp here, maybe. Slide it off the edge, put the PowerGrip on, and fire up the heat gun. And we just work our way around evenly, applying nice even heat on it, and let it do its thing. Can't really overheat these things. The only thing you might want to be careful is the hose that's underneath it. Those things seem to get a little soft. There you have it. Let it cool off. It's still a little hot. Okay, so I got it connected in the airdrop there. Nice and solid. So, well, that's it. I think it's a nice clean finish. It doesn't have the hose clamp getting caught on anything, and it should never come loose. I'm going to use it in the shop for a couple weeks, see how it works, see if I have any issues with them coming loose or popping off. I'll leave a comment in the comments, let you know how it works, good or bad. But I think that's the way I'm going to do it from here on out. For $250, you can't beat it.